you gotta be thinking, yeah, didn't I win 20 games this year? Am I really going to be your guy that you just like pop in and out whenever?
Been launched to replace the damaged nutcrackers, which cost about $1,000 each. And adding insult to injury, Macro says they were...
In wine country, 121 still shut down between Wild Horse Valley and...
Won last year, and I guess it's a proven formula. Yes, I'm not positive, but it just seems to me a guy that wins 20
and offering to me, and Abraham in obedience just does exactly that.
Breaking news, market updates, and successful investment strategy for the 21st century.
Sounds like a great program.
Getting you to retirement in today's market.
So let's get on with it.
Let's go there with Kira and Ryan. Channel.
What that means is their lives and their mouths give testimony to what they believe about Christ, but only in most